Hello all, welcome to Vegat. This is Mahit. Need to remove background of image or video or enhance a old photo and prepare any passport size photo? No need of Photoshop or Adobe After Effects softwares. By using AI website, you can do all these features. Let's dive into the video. Open your laptop or phone browser. Type Cutout Pro. Click on the website. Here we can see features, image background remover, video remover, all this. Let's see how to remove a image background. Click on upload, select the image, open. So it will take some time. Now you can see background is removed. Next we will see how to enhance a old image. Upload image, select the image. This is my old image. Want to enhance? If you can see the old picture and the new picture, you can free download and you can have download HD image also. Next we'll see how to prepare a passport photo maker. Click on upload image, select an image, upload. Website is loading. This is how the image has been updated. Here we will be having different sizes. We can customize as per our requirement. So here I am selecting common size 3.5 to 4.5 centimeters. So here we can update the background color also. We can select any color from this options. Blue, cyan blue, blue. So here I am selecting blue. Can crop. Here we can select single image, passport size single image, or we can choose different sizes. Here we can select 8 images in a postcard size, or we can select 4 images, or we can select 9 images. So here I am selecting 8 images. Click on done. You can download HD image. You can see if I zoom into this picture, there is no blur. So crystal clear. After this, we will try to remove video background. Click on upload, select video, upload. It will take some time to clear the background. You can download preview. You can see background is removed. By using Cutout Pro website, we can use all these softwares. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Please share with your family and friends. Thank you.